Hi everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. If it is your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Faith. All I do here is I test and reveal an app where you can actually earn extra income online. And in today's video, I'm gonna talking about Dream Party. Okay, I posted this video I think one day ago, and a lot of you have been asking me, Faith, I don't see my withdrawal option. I don't see where I can withdraw my money. So I decided to make this video to show you step by step how you can actually withdraw. Okay, I haven't withdraw yet, but because of the question I keep on getting, I decided to make this video. Okay, so before I proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. I am not sponsored by Dream Party. I'm just making this video based on my personal experience. So you are free to do your own research before downloading any online platform. Okay, carry your research very well because I'm just sharing what works for me, okay, on this platform. Right now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually add your payment method on this particular app. Okay, I'm performing my tax right now. I'm going to be showing you some settle things on this app. Okay, like I said before, I posted this app one day ago and a lot of questions I've been getting. I said to do this video. Okay, so just make sure you pay attention as usual. Okay, so maybe if it is your first time watching this video particularly and you want to know more about this particular app, you can actually go to my channel and search for where I teach how to sign up, how to do tax, which I'm also going to show you here because they updated the app. There is a new update. If you haven't updated your app, you can actually go ahead and update it because after they did the recent updates they did, like everything come out good. Okay, like the app is actually improving, and the thing is that this app is new. Update can change at any time. It is a new. Always make sure you follow their handle on Instagram, on Facebook. Follow them so that you will raise any update that you change on this platform, you'll be able to get notified. Okay, if you want to try this particular app out, okay, make sure you follow them on social media so that when there is update on the app, they will update you. Okay, so there is an like I said before, there is an update they made on the app, and after the update, I go ahead and update my app. I notice that there's a lot of changes on this app. Okay, there is a lot of changes which I'm going to be showing you here on this video. Okay, always make sure you pay attention as usual. Okay, this is me doing my tax, and here now you can actually do PK on this platform. It is not live streaming, it is just audio party where you can perform your tax and receive your reward. Okay, now you can see that many people are playing game on this particular app. Okay, people are playing game, and now I decided to record this part by this PK. Okay, if you want to do PK, you will do PK, but anytime you want to do PK, do not end it. Okay, because once you end it, I don't know if they are going to deduct your money, because once you click on PK, see this PK, if you click on it and you wanted to do PK with someone, please do not cut it, because I have experienced so many things on different app, and this app is actually audio app, and I will not, like, if you want to focus on PK, focus on PK till the end, till the app cut the PK. But if the app didn't cut the PK, do not go ahead and click end connect, because you might not know what is going to result. Okay, there is some app that if you end PK, they are going to maybe remove your diamond or um remove your points. Okay, because of that, do not do that. Okay, so now this is the daily tax which I have showed on that the video I posted. Okay, as you can see, join party and be on mic for 60 minutes. Okay, as you can see, this 1,500 diamond is the one they are going to give to yourself. Okay, like you can see that I am already on the mic for 7 minutes, and as you can see, 0.0/15. Okay, if you didn't give to yourself diamond on this app, if you did not accumulate diamond that reach 1,005, you cannot be able to receive it. Okay, as you can see, here is the my agency center and my daily host tax. Okay, So, and this is how you are going to be doing your whole stuff. Even on this app, after 7 days, you're not going to be receiving it again. After you complete your task for 7 days, they're going to be reduce it. Okay, this is it now. If you click on the host tax, you're going to notice that it automatically change, because here you can upgrade. Okay, as you can see, you can reach, as you can, 25,000, 25,000. That's almost 50,000 um points. Diamond is what you're going to be receiving on this particular app. Okay, for those of you might be asking me, Faith, we don't see coin seller on this app. So as you can see, after the app made updates recently and I log in on the app, I noticed that I have seen Nigeria coin seller working there. Okay, now let us move what we are here. Okay, all you need to, if you want to withdraw your money, this is where you're going to be seeing your withdraw option. You need to click on diamond. Okay, because the diamond is the one you're going to be earning. Okay, you can see that they have cash out, they have exchange, they have to seller to official. Okay, so now all you need to do is, like, if you want to withdraw through coin seller, you can go ahead and withdraw with them, but always make sure you be very careful, like, for before you withdraw. Okay, do not withdraw to person you don't know. Make sure the person you want to withdraw your money is from your country. If it is not from your country, do not send someone your hard-earned money like that. Okay, always make sure you know the coin seller you're about to send your diamond, okay, to avoid loss. As you can see, only multiple of 100k is allowed, such as 200k, so on. You can receive it to your safe. Okay, this one is that enter the amount, and you can see this cash out now. This cash out now is that if you click on to seller, and if you want to withdraw by yourself, you can actually click to official. Okay, like I said before, if you want to withdraw with the coin seller, you can click on to seller. Okay, if you want to withdraw by yourself, you can actually go ahead and click on to official. Okay, so this is how you can actually add your payment method. Like, if you go ahead and click on payment method, you're going to notice that all country is available, like Ghana, Togo, Nigeria, Philippines, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Egypt, a lot of country, Brazil, like Singapore. Every country is available, and you can actually use ePay to withdraw. Okay, okay, so this is how you can actually see where you can withdraw on this app. As you can see, if you want to withdraw by yourself, click official. If you want to withdraw through coin seller, click on to seller. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.